right, I've added a couple products and I wanted to go over some various options for the shop or the trips. Now the first one is you'll notice these images are blurry. So how do we fix that? It's super easy. We just go under our WooCommerce and settings, and then under products, you can scroll down, you can see these product image sizes. Now, we have some recommended sizes in the documentation under products, and you'll notice these 300 by 300, and then for the catalog, single product image is 950 by 534, and then the thumbnail is 150 by 150. You can, of course, change these as needed. These are just our recommended. So once you've updated them, you can save changes, and you'll notice that there's a note saying that, hey, this won't update existing images. So if we go to our shop, they'll still be blurry. You would have to run this updater plugin. So I'm going to go ahead and run that right here, and it's this regenerate thumbnails plugin. So if we copy the text, we can go to plugins, and I'm just going to walk through this really quick since this isn't necessary, but helps you so you don't have to upload the images again. So we'll install the plugin and then activate it, and then under tools we'll regenerate our thumbnails, and basically what this is doing is taking all the images we uploaded and resizing them again since we adjusted the resizing. If this doesn't make a lot of sense, don't worry. Just adjust the image sizes and then upload the images, and all the new images you have uploaded will work correctly. So once that is done, we'll go to our index page, and then we'll refresh it, and you'll notice the pictures are more crisp, and then they're the correct aspect ratio on the page. So that is all very simple for adjusting the images sizes. Now let's go ahead and let's adjust this page. So by default it's called shop, and you can go to your pages and just find your shop page, and you can edit it, and then I believe we call ours trips, but you can rename it whatever you want, and then you'll notice that everything will adjust as needed when you're on these pages for trips. So it's pretty easy to adjust that. And then the last two things I need to go over for options wise is under customize. You can go under theme settings, and towards the bottom of theme settings you can adjust the column count. So if you wanted 2 columns for instance, or 4 columns, you can adjust them as needed. So it's pretty cool. Save and publish or revert back to the default 3 columns. Then we can go over widgets, and the widget for our index is shop sidebar, and there's a whole bunch of cool widgets to use. We can use product categories or product tags and add that to our sidebar. You can add a cart, for example, in there as well. And you can hide the cart if it's empty or leave it as is. So once we save those, we can view our shop index again, and you'll see these are where the widgets show up. So it's pretty cool. And then the last thing I want to go over is this breadcrumb. So you'll notice by default, it adds in this travel blog. Now you might not want that. So to get rid of that is super easy. I'm going to open this in a new tab and go under settings, and then our breadcrumb. And you might need to migrate your options. Don't worry, just click on that. And we'll go under post types, and this is how you can adjust it. Under products, the root page is going to be our trips or your shop or whatever you named it. And then we're going to add product category hierarchy, and we're going to add in product category, and then save those. And now when you're on your product page, for example, you'll get your trips and then your category, and then trips will take you to the index where all the products are at. And then if you want to adjust your page title to something else, you can do that under general, and it's under this percent title. We can change that to home, save that, and then you'll see that's home up there instead. So that's how to kind of adjust the options for your shop.